Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your VK account. For that, you'll need to open up your VK app on your phone. If you want to sign into your account with Facebook, tap on sign in with Facebook, and if you want to sign into your account with email address or your phone number, tap on sign in, which is at the bottom of your screen. After you tap on sign in, now you'll need to enter your email address or your phone number that is linked to your account. Then enter your VK's password. Be sure to type the correct password, and when you're done, tap on the blue tab that says sign in. This is how you log into your VK account. Now you can easily order food, book taxis, go shopping, discover music and podcasts, make group calls, and more. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.